What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on why I personally think trading is the absolute worst way ever for someone who's never made money online to try to do it. It just doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Like, if you go on YouTube right now and you look up how to trade meme coins, stuff like that, 90, I would say 95% of them are going to try to get you to join something like this here or whatnot, which I'm not saying this is a bad platform or anything, but they get a commission, right? They're an affiliate for this right here. So every single time you trade, whether you win or lose or whatnot, depending on the network, they get a percent of that, they get a percentage, stuff like that. So their whole goal is just to make the video as hypey as possible, sound amazing as possible, and basically they're just going to try to get as many views so that way they can get as many people to sign up to this platform as possible. Again, it doesn't matter whether you win or you lose or you make money or you don't, they are still going to get a certain percentage of whatever you trade or whatever the commission is for the particular network they're promoting. Another thing is, right, they're gonna try to get you to join a Telegram group, right? So, join this platform, and then also join this Telegram group, or join this Discord, or join this right here, right? And then they're like, oh, I find the best coins ever. It doesn't matter what coin they find. They can literally just go and make a coin up. They can go and click any coin, and it will always be profitable for them. Every time it will always be profitable because they got 1,000 people, 10,000 people, etc. So they will always win, and then it's like everybody else is fend for themselves or whatnot. So if you get in early enough, obviously you'll make some money too or whatnot. And I'm not saying again anything's wrong with this particular method or whatever, but if you're an average person, like just like with $1,000, this is the dumbest way you could ever try to make money because the odds are just so stacked against you. There's a new coin, literally, like multiple new coins every single second of the day. You have no idea how to trade, and you're just dumping hundreds, if not thousands of dollars into something and just hoping to get life-changing money because you don't want to go and work a job or learn a skill or you don't know what else to do. Like most people that I've seen like doing this stuff, like I was in Soldier Boy's coin the other night. I just happened to wake up at like 2:30 a.m. and just checked Pump Fund, and he was live, right? And I ended up catching it at like it was like 10 or 15k market cap. Rode it all the way up to 619 yesterday, and yeah, we made a decent amount of money. Like the very first coin that I looked at, following I forgot his name. Like I made a short talking about it or whatnot, but it ended up doing 15x just from like the things that he had gave me. Basically, it's a guy on YouTube or whatnot, and like this, like so he was an affiliate. He was an affiliate marketer. He is an affiliate marketer or whatnot, but he started messing around in the trading space. Does absolutely amazing. So he gives you all of these filters right here. That's why like you see like I only have a couple or whatnot, and it basically just narrows it down to like focus on certain ones or whatnot. But anyway, two, a lot of people they just don't have the, or three, whatever number I'm on, they just don't have the budget to like do something like this. Unless you have like 10, 15, 20 Solana, this isn't really gonna, like, it's because when the market moves or you go up by 10%, you just made $200. Boom, you can get right out. Versus if you have 50, 100, 250, you feel like you have to stay in there longer, so that way you have to, well, you don't feel like you have to stay in there longer so you can make money, which means you're going to end up making way more riskier moves and stuff like that. And then on top of that, since you have a lower budget, to like do this, and most people aren't going to be using this with money that like they just don't care about, unfortunately. Like I seen some guy, it was in the Soldier Boy's like Lion Society or whatnot. He was like, oh man, I really hope this coin blows up. This is my last $20. Bro, this is not it. This is gambling to 99% of people who, this is gambling. I don't care what anyone says. This is 1,000% gambling for 99% of people. They don't know what they're doing. And I would argue even for some of the people who do know what they're doing. Glued to the screen for hours, watching the charts. You're fucking heart is going like this the whole time. You're going up, you're geeked as hell. Like then like you losing, you like fuck, you're trying to like focus. It's like I don't know. I would say this is for I would say for a lot of people this is just nothing more than gambling, right? And then they've gamified it so hard now. Like I just downloaded what was that app? Crypto.com last night to like log into it on my new phone or whatever because I haven't used it in forever because normally I would just transfer stuff to Coinbase and man it is so gamified like they got the little spinning little uh rings and stuff and like they like it's like a spaceship was coming out of shit like this is real money that you're spending this ain't a game. Yeah, like I said, anyway, like I said, out of my 10 plus years of making money online, which you guys can like check the my history or whatever on the YouTube channel here, and like because everything's been documented, I think this is absolutely the worst way you could ever try to make money online. And that's coming from someone who's made money doing this and stuff. Obviously, I've been like super, super, super successful in the crypto space. I think the most money I've ever made in 1 month was like 80 grand. And that was like a one-off thing. So it wasn't some shit that I did every month. But yeah, this ain't it. You have so many other alternatives. This is not the move. Like this is not it. You are literally nothing more than food for people who know what they're doing. This is stupid, if I'm being perfectly honest. There's just so many other ways you can make money. You can do CPA marketing, which you can check out here on the channel or whatnot. You can start 100% for free. Just go on, you can like literally just record your screen just like this. I have videos of me recording my screen and then making thousands of dollars 100% from free traffic. Now, it's probably not going to happen overnight for you or whatnot, or it could. You quite literally can make one video and just blow up. You can do TikTok shop. You can do drop shipping. Like this guy, I just watched a video this morning, because I'm always looking for new ways. Where are we at here? This isn't it. Like, it was some, where are we? All right. Boom, right here. I had literally just made this Depop shop, and this guy was just talking about how he drop ships from AliExpress, and he told you exactly how to do it. It was like a 5-minute video. As soon as I posted it up, got an offer immediately, and on AliExpress it's like $9. Not again, that's not $1 million, but you see, like, didn't have to do anything, and that's all profit. And then you do that 10 times a day. Well, there you go. That's like your trades, but way less risky. And you don't have to do anything. You have to put your $9 up to pay for the stuff to get shipped to their house, and that's it. And this was moments, like literally minutes after creating the account and setting everything up. And it took me all of like 10 minutes just to look at products and see what was working. And that was it. And that literally happened this morning. Amazon FBA. I took $300, turned this over 40 grand in the course of like 8 months. Again, documented here on YouTube. Just going to the Goodwills, Walmarts, and just buying stuff up. And there's like, you get an app, you scan the barcode, and it tells you exactly how long it's going to take to sell, how many people are selling it, what your profit margin is going to be, literally everything. And then all you do is put everything inside of a box, and then you ship it off. And you're done. Yeah, but like, there are so many ways that you can make money online today that this should be the absolute last way you try to do it. I genuinely don't understand why, I understand the appeal for sure, but to me, this is like the equivalent of like some chick that just turned 18 and she's jumping on OF because she sees the other whores making like $100,000 a year. $100,000 a month. When, what is it, like 90 something percent of OF creators make less than $200 a month. That makes no sense. Like, so you're gonna ruin your whole image and everything for $200 a month. That's basically what a lot of people are doing. You're financially ruining yourself. Crazy work. But anyway, that's kind of, I guess you can call it a rant video. I don't know. Super informative. I couldn't tell you. But yeah, this is not it. This is not the move. This is not it. Yeah, don't trade, guys. If you don't, like I said, like the stuff I said in the beginning, this ain't it. This is not it. Don't do it. It's not worth it.